today I am back with another video, but this video is not a normal video. This is an unboxing video, and I've only made 2 other ones of these, so you better tell your friends about this video. And this is the Redragon RGB Kumara keyboard. And it's mechanical, and it's, I think right now the price is, yeah, I don't know the price, but there's going to be a link in the description for if you want to buy this yourself. And it comes with a sticker holding the seal shut, so that's cool. And then I'm just gonna, there we go. And this just folds up. Oh, it just ripped the box. And it has a keycap puller. So that's if you want to take off the keycaps and put different color ones. The USB cord is not braided at all, but that's okay. It seems pretty long. So I'm going to take it out of the packaging, out of the bubble wrap, and here it is in all of its glory. Oh, it's really loud. It sounds like a typewriter. So now I'm going to cut to the contents of this. So here are all the contents laid out. So as you can see, we got the keyboard itself, the USB cable, and it comes with this little cover. Oh, uh-oh. So now that we got that all picked up, it comes with USB cable. It's gold plated, it looks like. It might not be real gold, but it looks cool. It has a cap for the USB, and I always end up losing these, so over here we have a sticker, like a vinyl sticker thing, the instructions that are in a bunch of different languages, but I'm not going to use that, and the keycap puller. So I'm going to cut to my room where I can plug this in and show all the different modes. But first, I'm going to use the keycap puller to take off one of the keycaps. Oh, yeah. So it's an outemu, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's a blue switch, which means that it's tactile and clicky, and very clicky. So I'm going to put this back, and now we will go see the lights. Alright, so I'm going to turn it on for the first time. Oh! Okay. Oh, that looks good. Oh, okay, I have to enter my passcode. Just ignore that. That doesn't matter. So, oh my god, that looks amazing. And from what I know, to switch the modes, you press this. Oh. That mode is kind of like a breathing. What if I hit it again? Then it goes to this. Whoa. Okay, I like that. Oh my god. And I'm pretty sure you can make the speed go up like this. That makes it go across faster. So that looks cool. What are the other modes? Whoa, alright. Oh. Okay, anything else? Yeah, then it just goes back. What about this one? Oh, these are just like animations, okay. That looks cool. Whoa. My only problem with this is I'm wondering if that would be like distracting. Yes, that's all of them. Then there's that one. This one is really cool. It's probably my favorite. And then, does that just like change it? Oh, this is like a random one, maybe. Yeah, and that's the default. That's another breathing. Okay. This is another mode. This one looks like Christmas lights. That's just a random, that's like a rainbow. Yes, that's all of them on that one. The final ones, oh, these are just more animations. Okay, so that is all of the color modes, but I forgot to mention that this has rubber feet at the bottom, so you can adjust the angle. I'm probably just going to use it the regular way, but I mean, this is cool if you like it inclined. So yeah, that's about it. I might do a review on this keyboard, so leave a like if you enjoyed, and comment because I read all my comments, and subscribe. So here's an update. Shortly after I got done recording the video, I noticed that the left control doesn't work, so I contacted Redragon and they sent me a new one, which is this one right here, and we have to ship them the old one, which we will be doing probably today or tomorrow. But they have good customer service. Right now I don't have a computer to plug this into, because mine is sent to ASUS to get repaired for a different reason. It just randomly died one day, so it's getting repaired right now. So yeah, that's about it. Subscribe. We're doing something special at 100 subscribers, so tell your friends about my channel.